What is up, guys? So, I don't know how hard this is going to be to hear because we are going top down in a Miata anyway. But I am in my good friend Jared's boosted Miata, and I'll make sure to put his I don't know which side it'll be on, but I'll make sure to put his channel up in the description, or not, I don't know what I'm talking about, up at the top of the video here. And yeah, this thing's dope, like real dope. But we're gonna start driving here. And it's gonna start raining here soon. But yeah, I know he has a Garrett turbo on it. I'm not sure which one it is. It might be the T25, but basically, let's go left here. Basically, he built this. This thing's so fun. Basically, he just recently built this. It's you know, it's got the quality turbo in it and everything like that. No eBay BS. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't with eBay turbos, but not with this bad boy. But anyway, this thing, it's a beast. Like, it slays. He was just telling me that this thing's way quicker than a Mini Cooper S, way quicker than all that stuff, and it just, the turbo, honestly, it brings the car to life so much in this. But this is, honestly, if I had a Miata, this is the way I would go with a build. This is exactly what you want with a Miata build. At the end of the day, it's still dailyable, though. I mean, in low RPMs, you're not seeing too much boost. And, I mean, if you're not seeing that much boost, then it's not that hard to drive daily. He's got a stage 2 clutch in this, but it's not undailyable. I mean, it feels like a normal stiff clutch, and more basically, it's such a fun car to daily drive, and it can also kill on the track. This thing, it could be a beast on the track. He was up in Wisconsin at Automotion, and this put it in the burnout contest. This thing was a beast. I'm gonna make a left here and do a little pull. Second gear right here. This thing is insane. You hear all that good turbo stuff, and you don't really hear that until you're really on it. I mean, that was like 3,500 there, $4,000 when you heard that. So I don't know. I mean, you can drive around town all day and it can still be a sleeper because no one hears that turbo noise. So it's honestly, this thing is I'm lost for words. This is an amazing build. See if I can find some good old curvy roads out here to really show you what it shines with. I have no clue if you can even hear this right now because of how much wind there's going on, but I'm hoping you can hear this. One major downside, which I'm seeing today, of having a Miata is that you see all these rain clouds around and you don't know when they're gonna hit, so you're just chilling with the top down, and now I gotta watch out for this rain. It's not just rolling up the window. I gotta stop, get out, the whole shebang. Let's see, we're gonna try going right here. It's fun. Like, fun. one freaking mean machine here. Just cruising along this river here. I just realized my camera's crooked, so I might have to fix that, but you guys probably can't see it, but there's a freaking river right here, and no, we're just cruising along nice, like there's no issue here, but beast! Alright, I'm gonna pull over here and see if I can adjust the camera and put up the top a little bit. Maybe we'll just stick with windows down or something. Okay, that's gonna echo a little bit, but oh man, it's hot out today. Holy crap. But Jesus. Anyway, so I'm gonna leave this window open. Hopefully the wind noise is not nearly as bad as before. But I gotta survive, which means I gotta have some airflow through here. So we're gonna go drive for a little bit, and I'll show you what I mean. This thing handles like a champ though, like you don't even feel yourself turning. But geez, that thing's a beast in the freaking corners, let me tell you. In the corners, I mean, we're just wiggling a steering wheel here, and you got no body roll, nothing. It's all straight up, just good performing, just a really good performance car. Let's see if I can. Hopefully I can find a little bit of an opening here, but alright, I don't want to run out of gas, and I don't know how accurate this gas gauge is, so I gotta freaking run to I almost said grocery store. I don't know what I'm talking about. I gotta run to the gas station real quick, so see you there. These things corner absolutely brilliantly, by the way. I know I've said that multiple times, but you don't really understand how well these things corner until you take some turns in them. Like, this thing's absolutely insane. Brilliant. Like, brilliant. I'm speechless right now. You guys don't understand. I am completely speechless. I don't know what I just said, but anyway. Whew. This car is just some good handling with the boost setup he has. Adds amazing power, and that combination is something you don't come by. I mean, in these Miatas, you got perfect 50-50 weight ratio, along with, I think there's a cop up here, perfect weight ratio, along with just phenomenal, really phenomenal power with this turbo he's got on it. So you can't really ask for much more than that. I mean, that's about all you can ask for, right? Alright, first, second, third right here. This Miata is absolutely beautiful. Like, I don't know how to describe it besides phenomenally amazing. Like, there's not enough words to describe this. This car makes me want to go out right now and buy a Miata, like right now. And it's funny because I just passed one for sale, but it really wants you to go buy one. Like, I really need a Miata.